Good morning once again. So now we are going to discuss the topic adding a new record in a form. So what we need to do is we need to select the data and afterwards we'll go to form option. As we move on form option, we can find a box in front of us having all the field names and the values which are starting from the first record. Now, how can we add a new record? Simply we need to see the options here, and the very first one is new. So click on the new button, and then we need to specify the values. Say roll number is 7, name suppose Animesh, followed by the marks in English, say 90, marks in Hindi suppose 89, and marks in math say 99. And then we need to press enter button. As you press enter, we can observe that one record is added. Let's try one more time. Give a value, roll number 8, and name say Hemant, and then followed by English marks say 87, then Hindi say 89, and in maths 90, and then press enter. So we can see that the record has been entered. Now the next is about to use the buttons find previous and find next. If I click on find previous, I'll be able to move on the record which I entered recently, then find previous one more time, the 7th record, and this way I can move in the whole table with the help of these buttons. And it is also possible for me to delete a particular record. Suppose I want to delete this record, so click on delete button and then press OK, and the particular record will be deleted. We can see it has been disappeared from here, right? So this way we can add a new record as well as we can delete a record, plus we can move to the next record and we can move to the previous record with the help of find previous and find next. The next topic is the use of criteria. What is criteria? This is the option which is used for searching something, searching a record. Suppose if I want to locate roll number 5 Tarun, so I need to enter 5 here and then press enter button, and we can see that record number 5 Tarun has been searched. This is a small table, so we feel this is very common, but in actually when we have a huge amount of data and if we need to search some value, at that time this criteria option is very much helpful, right? And suppose now also I want to switch over the records, so I can try it using find previous and find next, but it will not work because right now the query is being used with the help of criteria, right? And if I close the button, so we can see that the dialog box has been disappeared. So click on the form once again and now click on form option, and we can click on criteria, and this time I can search with the name. So in the name, suppose if I entered Arun and I press enter button, so you can see that the record has appeared, right? So that's all. We have learned about adding a new record. We have also learned about deleting a record. We also got to know about finding previous record and finding the next record. And with the help of criteria, we can search a particular record, and when we click on close, that means we want to close the form, and you can click anywhere to deselect the data, and the same operations can be performed on the Excel like we do normally by right clicking and delete, fine, right clicking and insert. So these all things are available, but forms actually give us a interactive way. When we select something and we click on form, that means we are able to interact with the data, whether this particular sheet is visible to us or not, but with the help of form we are actually interacting with the sheet of Excel. Thank you so much.